Welcome to the Viral Waves AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create videos from YouTube Shorts in Viral Waves AI. First, go to the left menu and click on Clone Voice. Here you can clone your voice for your upcoming videos if you want to convert them into your voice. Just upload a sample file from your local. Please upload only MP3 or WAV files. For best results, submit audio files between 10 and 25 seconds long.
Hey are often referred to as man's best friend.
Choose the gender of your voice. Give a brief description of your voice. Click on Create Voice and your voice will be added to Voices. Now click on Create and you will be on the video creation page. You can either add a video from a YouTube Shorts link or upload a video from your local. Once you add the video, click on Preview and you can preview it.
Might actually be buying Twitter. What do you think Twitter's going to be better off? I mean, this has been such a...
Now add title. You can change the voice of your video to your own or create the video without a cloned voice. Caption on the video. Choose your voice from drop-down. Language of your video. Text position. Base color of text. Animation. Now click on Create and your video will be created. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. You can view your video.
These things that it's really unclear how it'll actually turn out. So obviously it's...
You can share your video on social media platforms. Thanks for watching the video.